Animation and Game Fest. I'm Antonia, and today I'll be showing you around about what we do here. So first off, we have basically our entire artist alley. Everything here is student work. Everything you see is created by students who draw, who make video games. All of the work here today is presented by students. You'll see one of our students, Mackenzie, she has her brand with all of her art hung up. Oh wow, look how nice this is. This is beautiful. So we have some really nice painterly artwork by another one of our students. Oh my goodness, this is incredible. Oh, we got some good stuff. All right, and over here, let's check out and see what we have over here. So these are like student portfolios for the animation program. So you'll see students over here displaying their portfolios of work they've done from previous classes. Very good stuff over here, very nice. Let's go ahead and go down here now. Let's take a look at our games. I know over here, this whole table, we have all of our curated games made by students at Mount Sac.
What kind of games?
So these games are 3D games as well as side-scroller games, video games. You'll see some students right over here. They're enjoying playing them, which is great. I love it. And then back here at this table over here, we have our virtual reality section on the TV over here. We have one of our students on the headset, a MetaQuest headset, and they're actually able to play a game in virtual reality. Our students actually have access to MetaQuest headsets. They create a game using the Unity game engine, and then they're able to plug it in and utilize it using the headset itself. And they're actually able to explore the game they've created with the headset on. It's a really fun, immersive experience for playing a game that you've created. We also have a drone photography department here in the animation and gaming program. You'll see that students have actually created artwork with their drones to take pictures. You'll see one of the drones over here. All right, well, thank you for joining us at Animation and Game Fest. Most of our animation and gaming classes take place in Building 13. Thank you so much for walking around with us today. It's a lot of fun.